Louis thinks I'm boring.
Boring! You're boring!
You find me boring. They're going to teach me how to be fascinating. You shouldn't do it.
Oh, I clean it up! You make the mess and I clean it up.
I'll finish cleaning up.
Love of my life, or is it more rebound of my life?
There he is again.
And you weren't feeling Lestat in the room?
No. And I was not aware he was as present as it seemed he was. I'm not Lestat.
Okay.
Lestat.
Are you companions?
Yes.
No.
My prevailing thought was,
Il n'est rien.
if I'm not with him, I'm nothing. And at the time, I could not count on your love lasting as long.